Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the blockages in your path right now. What is blocking your path right now? And for personal readings, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see what are the blockages, Sagittarians. So we have the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. It itself is a very negative card and it is coming up as a blockage. So you have the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. So Sagittarius, you are not able to balance a situation here. Okay, you are not able to balance a situation, perhaps because you are doing something secretly, or you are getting away with certain things, and that is, or maybe you need to keep a secret and you are not keeping a secret because it is coming up itself. It is somebody getting away with things. Maybe you are not doing that because it is coming as a blockage. There are certain aspects and certain phases in life in which you need to keep secrets. You are supposed to keep certain secrets. Maybe that is what you are not dealing. Maybe you are blabbering all around. Maybe you are divulging the secrets of others. Maybe you are divulging your own secrets which are harming you. So there is a lack of balance in the situation here. Okay, there is a lack of balance in a situation because of which you are not able to, you want to take a step forward but you are not able to take a step forward. You are not able to open up emotionally because of, there is, see, your cheating, lies and everything is coming up as a blockage over here. It itself is a very negative card which has all of lies, deception, cheating, getting away with certain things. Okay, and it is coming up as a blockage over here. So what I feel here is that maybe you are divulging the secrets to others. Maybe you are, when people are trusting you with certain things, you are not doing that, and that is what is destroying the harmony and the balance of the situation. Maybe you are divulging the secrets of your company, of your projects, whatever it is. Okay, that is what I feel, and because of that you are not able to keep things balanced. Can be because knowingly or unknowingly, but you are in some way, shape or form getting away with certain things. Maybe you feel that you can do it and nobody knows about it, something of that. So maybe you feel that if you do it, nothing is going to happen. What can be any reason, but what I feel is there is lack of stability, lack of balance because of something like this, and which is inhibiting your step towards opening up in a better way, or in a better direction. So Sagittarians, take it as it resonates and hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.